Happy Monday, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you what you can get in North Redington for under $2.5 million. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent and real broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or send me a DM at CD Slang St. Pete. We can talk about all your options and I can hopefully get you into a home of your dreams. Hitting the market this morning in North Redington, we have a 3-story, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,190 square foot condo listed with Amy Smith of Premier Sotheby's International Realty for $2,399,999. And this is an amazing condo community. Besides the normal amenities you're expecting, like a pool, parking, etc., you're on the water. You're on one of the nicest beaches in Pinellas County. You've got 600 feet of actually beachfront, and North Redington has the quiet beaches, so you won't have to navigate a bunch of tourists visiting you. This beach is perfect, beautiful, and it's a great place to chill. You have 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. The bedrooms are huge and the bathrooms are amazing as well. But on each level, you have updated appliances. You've got nice quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and the bedrooms you can see from the photos let in a lot of natural light. And on the top floor, you have your own patio in the loft where you can enjoy the sunsets because it's a western facing property. So like I mentioned earlier, if you're looking for homes on the water, either the canal front where you can have a boat or the beach front where you can just get your feet into the sand, I'm your guy. Give me a call, 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at CD Slang St. Pete, and I'd love to tell you about what's available to you. Talk to you later.